Hi everyone, it's Ava Leonard and welcome to my channel. This video is about a new set of nails that I've been trying out and I absolutely love them, so I wanted to let other people know about them. They are called the Wedding Nail and they are from the Sosu range. Sosu was created by Susanna Jackson, who's an Irish blogger, and now she has brought out lots of different products, and these are available from her website, which I'll link below, and from lots of different pharmacies nationwide in Ireland. So I'm wearing them at the moment and I just love them so much. I have tried out a lot of different nails over the years. I've tried out different shapes, different strengths, different glues, different lengths, different styles, different brands. These are now my favourite. Oh, by the way, they're called a wedding nail, but I'm not like in the process of planning a wedding or anything like that. It's just that the wedding nail was the nicest one in the collection in my eyes. They just are really elegant and classy, very kind of classic looking. They kind of look like a French manicure, except the tip is quite thin, but I think that's very clever because it seems to make the nail appear even longer. So the shape is called stiletto, which means it's like pointed. It's a medium length. What I love about these is that they're really strong. I think it's a combination of the glue and the actual nail itself. You can get like flexi nails that are a little bit like soft. Then you can get the regular nails. And then it's like there's these nails and they're just so sturdy. When I put them on, they felt like, no, it sounds a bit weird, but like luxurious, like this really strong, luxurious nail. What comes in the pack is 24 nails in 10 different sizes. Glue is clear. A lot of tubes of glue that you'll find, you'll have to pierce the top to get the glue flowing. But this, when you twist the lid off it, it actually breaks the top. So when you take it out of the pack, you just turn it and take the lid off, and then the glue is ready to use. I love that because
some of the bottles are so fiddly and annoying, and you take the lid off and you have to pierce it, or you have to cut some of them with scissors. Anyway,
that's great. It comes with a nifty little glue. You've got your file and your buffer, and then your little stick for pushing down your cuticles. And I just love them. I think this particular style really elongates the fingers. I have quite short, stumpy man hands. Thanks, Mom. These, I feel, make my hands appear slimmer and like my fingers longer. They're very dusty pink on the bottom and then white tips. But they're really strong, sturdy, they look good. They cost $9.95, just under a tenner in euros. If you're used to paying about that for nails, you won't really care. But just say you were used to using ones from maybe Primark that cost like £1 or €1.50 or €2. You might think, oh my gosh, that is so expensive, but they are really good quality. I find that the ones from Primark, after about like 2 days, one has fallen off, and I guess it's probably the glue that comes with them, and the nail itself is like a lot kind of thinner. And I think some of the Primark nails have numbers on the tips, which, I mean, if you want to pretend like they're your own nails, that's not going to really work, because
what natural nail has a number on the back of it? Unless you do, then comment below, because you're one of a kind.
So yeah, these are just really, really good quality, and especially I suppose if you were buying them for your wedding day nail, then you wouldn't care that you're spending a tenner on them. And compared to like if you were going to a salon, these like are called salon nails. They do make you feel like you've just been to the salon to get them done. They've got that, just that really good quality feel about them. So compared to going and getting a full set of nails done in a salon, like whatever you're gonna pay, like what, 30 or 40 euro.
Actually, your first set of nails is like 60 euro sometimes, and then your refills or whatever.
But these are 10 euro and they feel like salon nails. So I love them. I'm not getting paid by Suzanne to say this or anything. I just really want to promote them because I love them and I think they're great quality and they are good for the price. She's Irish as well, actually, so it is quite cool to promote Irish brands. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with you and let you know that that's what I'm wearing. I will be back on Saturday with my 6 weeks of vlogging, which I'm so excited about. It's all to do with getting your mind, body and soul feeling really good, especially if you've just had a baby. But even if you haven't had a baby, I think it might give people encouragement or inspiration, or maybe a few tips. I want to have a video diary to see how far I can get in 6 weeks, from how good I feel about my body to how good I'm feeling in my headspace. So I'm going to show what I'm doing every day, be it eating or what I'm doing for myself or physically, what way I'm working out, and then you'll see me from the start and then you can see me at the end. And I just want to see how fit I can get and how good I can feel after 6 weeks. If you're interested in that, then I will be starting it on Saturday and it will be for 6 weeks, as I have said so many times. But anyway, that's my video for today.
Rock on, Sosu, with your beautiful nails, because I am loving these.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or a great evening wherever you may be. Namaste.
Oh my god, that's the way I'm going to start each of my vlogs on my 6 weeks.
Yes. I'm off.
Have a great day.
Okay, bye.